What's going on, guys? It's your boy Easy Galaxy, back at it today with a bit of a different type of video, a tutorial video on how to get your hair from looking like this, straight, no volume, kind of basic. I mean, you can push it over to the either side if you want, but sometimes you just want like a little bit of different spice in your life. So I'm gonna show you how you get your hair from this to this. Basically, the inspiration for this video came from people asking me how do I do my hair, or just me seeing some brothers out there, and I'm like, you could be doing so much more than just letting it down in the front or tying it up in the back or whatever. So let's just get right into it. Before we get into the materials, it all starts in the shower. Whoops, yeah, got my hand in there. I am using the Old Spice shampoo, and hear me out on this, 1 or 2 times a week, because if you overuse it, it's going to take the natural oils out of your hair and just make it flatter. And then on the days you're not shampooing, get like a high quality conditioner like this one here. Also, my hair color is kind of this wackish brown orange right now, because back in the day, there you can see my natural hair color, more of a blonde brown going in. Back in the day, I dyed my hair black in the summer, used some like cheap hair dye, and it wasn't supposed to be temporary, but it was, and it like washed out a lot, and now it's kind of left my hair with this. But you know, I'm gonna get a buzz cut soon to cut it all out. So now for your products, I'm using the Sunbum Sea Salt Hairspray, and any kind of sea salt spray or hairspray probably would work. And also the Duke Cannon News Anchor Pomade, which is more of a stronger hold of pomade. But I'm sure other pomades would work. Just find the product that works for your hair type. Anyways, now you got your product, you got your routine down, and listen. People are going to say, oh, your hair is going to get dirty. It's not going to get dirty. Does my hair look dirty right now? No, it does not. You're still washing it out with the water. You're just not drying it out with that shampoo. You feel me? You can still use that other conditioner that you got in there. Well, I got in there, and you might have too. So your first step, getting out of the shower, towel dry your hair lightly, but we still want to leave a lot of that moisture in there. Second step, you're going to take this, spray it in. I usually don't spray it directly into my hair. I just spray it into one hand, and then like rub it in a little bit. Next, you take a little scoop of the pomade like this. Rub it together and make sure, well, let me switch cameras real quick. My hair isn't wet right now, but make sure to get it like even into all the hair. See, look at that, my hair, I'm not even in the right state to do it, and it's already helping it a lot. So just make sure to get it all in there even. Now my hair dryer is looking a little crusty, but this step is optional. After you've done each step, you could add a little bit of heat just for like, I would say no more than 20 seconds. Just a little bit of heat to dry it out, especially if your hair is on the longer side. And it will add some volume, but I usually skip this part unless I just like wanted to be extra high or whatever. And then after that heat, I want you to just do the same thing with the spray, a little more in the hair and this a little more in the hair just to lock it in, and then you're pretty much done. So basically, guys, this is what your final product gonna look like. Volume in the front, you can get a little texture in the back. That was for me when I had shorter hair, but I decided to do it again when I have longer hair because the results are just better. So anyways, guys, if this helped you out, helped improve the hair game, please leave a like, leave a comment to see how it helped. If you guys have your own little tips and tricks, let me know down in the comments. Anyways, let me know if you want any more tutorials down below, like maybe a beard lineup tutorial, even though I don't really even know how to do that well. Anyways, see you guys in the next one.